So in this first example, I think the main thing is understanding cosecant is hypotenuse over opposite is not going to help you for this question. Agreed? However, if you understand that cosecant is r, hypotenuse, over the y-coordinate. Now, again, we're trying to identify the quadrant. So we say, when is cosecant r over y going to be negative? Well, again, r is always positive, so it's the y. So when is the y-coordinate negative? Which quadrants? Third and the fourth, right? Anything below the x-axis, the y-coordinate is negative. Yes? OK, so we got that one. So it has to be, oh, sorry, another thing. Cosecant of x is less than 0 is just a fancy way of saying it's negative. Wouldn't you guys agree? If something's less than 0, it's negative. If something is greater than 0, it's positive. Yes? So again, it looks like this. It might be confusing. But again, it's just saying it's negative or positive. Cotangent of x is greater than 0. That means it's positive. So cotangent of x, again, is x over y. Now, again, we have to be careful. If it's positive, we know it's in the first quadrant. That's easy. But remember, if it's a negative, if this was a negative x or a negative y, that's also positive. So therefore, what is the only quadrant where both of those statements are true? Third quadrant. And then, if I want to practice drawing a triangle in that correct quadrant, I'm going to use what we call a central angle. It'll look like this. We don't know the sides of the triangle or anything like that. This is just practicing drawing the triangle. Agreed? OK. These pens, man, what's up with that?